Reading Challenge 2 kitobi 6-yil Mr. Nintendo degan maqolani ko'rib chiqamiz. Birinchisi, recognize degani anglamoq, fahmlamoq, to'g'ri javob saying no, suffering degani qiynalish, not doing well, concept degani xomaki varianti, ya'ni ideas and image behind, relevant to bilan bog'liq, related to connective bo'ladi. Interactive degani harakat qilmoq, act on, ability degani qobiliyatda, skill sinonim bo'ladi. Matnga ko'ramiz. Satoru Iwata is not a household name, but he should be. Satoru Iwata mashhur ism emas, lekin bo'lish kerak. Most people, however, will recognize his brainchildren as Nintendo DS and Wii. Ammo ko'plab odamlar uni Nintendo DS va Wii ni yaratgani bilan tanishadi. These two game systems completely changed the world of gaming. Bu ikki o'yin tizimi o'yin dunyosini tamomila o'zgartirib yubordi. It's hard to imagine gaming without them. Ularsiz o'yinni tasavvur qilish qiyin. But amazingly, the DS and Wii almost didn't happen. Lekin hayratlanarli joyi shundaki, DS va Wii tasodifan paydo bo'lib qolmagan. It's all thanks to the innovative ideas of Iwata that we have this system today. Bugungi kunda bizda bor o'yin tizimini yaratganligi uchun Iwatani innovatsion g'oyalariga rahmat aytishimiz kerak. Satoru Iwata was made the CEO of Nintendo in 2002. Satoru Iwata 2002-yilda Nintendoning xo'jayini etib tayinlandi. At the time, the video game market was suffering and Nintendo was having trouble with its sales. O'sha paytda video o'yin bozori qiynalayotgandi va Nintendoning mahsulotlarida muammo bilan bordi, sotish bilan bog'liq. Iwata thought that change strategy was due. Iwata o'yladiki, strategiyani o'zgartirish vaqti keldi. Previously, the strategy in the game industry was to keep making same kind of games and consoles but just improve their power and complexity. Dastavval o'yin sanoatlaridagi strategiya bir xil turdagi o'yinlarni chiqaraverardi, faqatgina ularni quvvati bilan mukammalligini oshirardi xolos. However, Iwata didn't just want to attract dedicated gamers. Shunga qaramasdan Iwata mukkasidan ketgan o'yinchilarni jalb qilishni xohlamadi. He wanted to bring new kinds of players to video gaming. U video o'yinlarga yangi turdagi o'yinchilarni olib kelishni xohladi. How was he going to do that? Va buni qanaqa qilmoqchi edi? He decided to change the very concept of games. U o'yinlar, video o'yinlarni konsepsiyasini o'zgartirmoqchi edi, ya'ni xomaki variantini o'zgartirmoqchi edi. Iwata wanted to make video games easier to pick up and more relevant to people's lives. Iwata video o'yinlarni o'ynashni osonroq va odamlarning hayotiga bog'lashni xohladi. Out of this idea came Nintendo DS. Va bu g'oyadan Nintendo DS yaraldi. People interacted more directly with game by using touch screen instead of just the buttons. Bu yo'l bilan odamlar ko'proq o'yinlarga ekranni tish orqali o'ynashadi, shunchaki set of buttons degan tugmalarni bosishdan ko'ra. Iwata took this idea to the extreme with the motion based Wii. Iwata bu g'oyani eng yuqori harakatga asoslangan motion based Wii ni yaratishga qaror qildi. Now just by using natural body movements, players can enjoy playing all sorts of games. Hozirda shunchaki tabiiy tana harakatlari orqali odamlar barcha turli o'yinlarda maza qilib o'ynashlari mumkin, ya'ni o'yinchilar o'ynashlari mumkin. This kind of games produced changed as well. Va bu turli o'yinlar ham o'zgardi. Along with regular role-playing game, action and sport games, new kinds of games were designed. Role-play o'yinlardan tashqari harakat, sport o'yinlari va o'yinlarning yangi turlari dizaynlashtirildi. Some of these new games like Brain Edge improve thinking abilities. Bulardan biri Brain Edge sizni fikrlashingizni kuchaytiradi, fikrlash qobiliyatingizni. Others like Wii Fit improve fitness va boshqalar, misol uchun Wii Fit bo'lsa, fitnessni oshirib beradi. This has brought a new age of gaming va bu o'yinning yangi davrini olib keldi. Everyone from grandparents to their grandchildren seems to be playing Nintendo products. Hozirgi kunda o'sha bobo buvilardan tortib nevaralargacha Nintendo mahsulotlarini o'ynab turganda tuyuladi bizga. With all that we have seen so far, we can only wonder what's next for Iwata. Surely it will be something groundbreaking. Biz hozircha ko'rgan barcha mahsulotlar juda ham ajoyib bo'lgan va o'ylab qolamiz, Iwataning keyingi narsasi ham juda ham ajoyib bo'ladi va aminmanki bu qanaqadir innovatsion narsa bo'ladi. Groundbreaking degani innovatsion, o'ta yangi degani. Hop, savollar. What is main idea of this reading? Matnning asosiy g'oyasi nimada? Bu yerda to'g'ri javob A bo'ladi. Satoru Iwata is a man with amazing ideas. Ya'ni Satoru Iwata ajoyib g'oyalari bo'lgan inson. What first motivated Iwata to change the strategy of Nintendo? Nintendo strategiyasini o'zgartirish uchun Iwataga nima motivatsiya berdi? Endi bu yerda to'g'ri javob D bo'ladi. He wanted a new concept for gaming. U o'yinni yangi konsepsiyasini xohlab qoldi-yu, matnda aytdi. O'shaning uchun B variantni olaveramiz. What did Iwata change about the world of gaming? Iwata o'yin dunyosida nimani o'zgartirdi? More games for children and girls, more dedicated gamers, created new style of gaming, less expensive game systems. To'g'ri javob bitta C bo'ladi. O'yinni yangi turini qo'ydi. What does phrase brain children means as an in the reading? Brain children ma'nosini so'rayapti bizdan. Brain children degani o'zi biror narsani o'ylab va o'sha o'ylagan narsani mahsulot tariqasida chiqarsangiz, o'sha brain children deyiladi. To'g'ri javob bitta A bo'ladi. Product thought of and created. What does the author think about Iwata's future products? Iwataning kelajakdagi mahsulotlari, ya'ni o'yinlar haqida muallif nima deb o'ylaydi? Gapda matnning oxirida aytdiki, it will be something groundbreaking dedi. Qanaqadir juda ham noyob narsa bo'ladi dedi. To'g'ri javob C bo'ladi. They will probably be very innovative. Ya'ni innovatsion bo'ladi juda ham deyapti. Idiomalar. Household name mashhur ism, change something is due degani o'zgarish vaqti keldi degani, take something to extreme. Juda ham yuqori darajasiga olib chiqish, ya'ni rivojlantirish. Brad Pitt qanaqa ism? Household name. We took the recipe by adding even more chocolate chips. Bunda to'g'ri javob take something to extreme. Ya'ni something o'rniga bu yerda bizga cookie recipe kelyapti. We take the cookie recipe to extreme by adding even more chocolate chips. Biz o'sha cookie'ni retseptini unga ko'proq shokoladli chips qo'shib o'zgartirdik deyapti. Yuqori darajaga chiqardik. Keyingisi, a change in weather is due. Ya'ni ob-havo o'zgarish arafasida, o'zgarish vaqti keldi ob-havoni va men eshitdimki, yomg'ir to'xtashi mumkin ekan bugun deb gapini davom ettiryapti. Testga o'tamiz. How can I have more customers to my store? Qanday qilib men do'konimga ko'plab mijozlarni nima qilsam bo'ladi? Jalb qilsam bo'ladi. C variant. My coach thinks we need to new. We are losing too many games. Meni trenerim o'ylaydiki, bizga nima kerak yangi strategiya kerak va biz ko'p o'yinlarda yutqizyapmiz. To'g'ri javob C bo'ladi. I'm playing computer games too much. My grades are starting to. Men kompyuter o'yinlarini juda ko'p o'ynayapman va meni baholarim nima qilishni boshladi? Pasayib ketishni boshladi. Suffer, B variantni olamiz. Spanish class isn't ready to my life here in Hong Kong. Ispaniya sinfi Gangkongda, ya'ni meni bu yerdagi hayotimga uncha nima emas, bog'liq emas. Relevant to bo'ladi. John is a teacher. He spends hours preparing his lessons. John qanaqadir o'qituvchi ekan, u soatlab sarflaydi darsini qilishga. To'g'ri javob bitta D bo'ladi. Dedicated degani shu mukkasidan ketgan. U shunchalik mukkasidan ketganki, dars soatlab o'tirar ekan dars qilish uchun. That's a new. I haven't heard that idea before. Bu yangi nimadir va men buni oldin eshitmaganman. That's a new concept bo'ladi. Ya'ni bu yangi g'oya-yu deyapti. The way is quite expensive. Bu bitta narsa, ya'ni console o'zi, consolelar orasida. The console is quite expensive. My dog has to learn new tricks. Meni itimni nimasi bor? Yangi xillarni o'rganish uchun qobiliyati bor. My dog has an ability bo'ladi. A variant. With that hat and those glasses, he is not. Bu shlyapa va ko'zoynaklar bilan u qanaqa ko'rinyapti endi? Taniydigan ko'rinmayapti. He's not recognizable bo'ladi. C variantni olamiz. The game is interactive interaction. Bu qanaqa o'yin? The game is interactive. B variant, ya'ni interaktiv o'yin. To'g'ri javob bitta B bo'lyapti.